Video evidence was played in court of the suspect on trial for the 2020 murder of a woman killed in front of her North Dallas home. The video shows the capital murder suspect smoking and pointing a gun shortly after the murder of Leslie Baker. Fox 4's Stephen Dial has been observing testimony. He joins us live. Stephen.
The prosecution rested their case about 30 minutes ago. Now, the suspect, who is on trial right now, Anthony Jermaine Lewis, is being tried as an adult, but because he's a certified juvenile, meaning that the crime happened when he was a juvenile, if he is given a life sentence, he will be eligible for parole after 40 years in prison. Now, as mentioned, the prosecution rested their case today. Earlier, they called multiple forensic witnesses who analyzed the murder, but the strongest evidence was video recorded by the suspect, Anthony Lewis. One video was recorded hours after the murder of Leslie Baker. It shows Taylor smoking and pointing a gun that has a distinct red laser on it. Lewis, who was 16 at the time of the crime, sat silently as he listened to the testimony. Back in 2020, police say Lewis and two others attempted to carjack Leslie Baker. Baker's car was blocked in her driveway, and investigators say Lewis fired multiple shots, killing Baker. An investigator testified that the murder weapon was also used in other crimes following the Memorial Day murder. The prosecution then showed a video days after the murder of a live stream by Lewis of a police chase he was in. The detective talked about how when they zeroed in on suspects, they were monitoring social media accounts.
We were monitoring a chase, a police chase that Matt Terry was in, Sergeant Terry, and Cynthia came running in and said that Anthony was live streaming the chase from inside the car.
A voice in the video was heard saying, quote, "I got a murder like 2 days ago." It's unknown who said that because the camera was not showing faces at the time. Again, the prosecution rested their case. It doesn't appear that the defense is going to put any witnesses on the stand. The judge said the jury will start bright and early around 8:30 in the morning. That's when we'll have closing arguments, and the jury could have a verdict by this time tomorrow afternoon.
Stephen, thank you.